Get ready because we're about to dive into Rippily. Today, we're going to learn about how to quiet a room immediately. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Peggy McCartha, and I want to talk to you today about what to do when you are running a room and people are either unmuted and they don't realize it and they're making noise, or they're just talking and you're trying to get the room quiet.
Hey, Sarah, can you bring my drink in here?
Okay, so let me tell you what I just did. So up here by chat, there's another tab that says people. And if you click on that, you can mute everyone. It doesn't matter if there's 1 or 500 people in the room. You just click that and it automatically mutes everyone except for the moderator, you running the room. You'll still have your voice. Now there's another option, and I'm going to show you how that works. It's called speakers only. But first, we have to make a moderation to our room. So let's go over here to the editor. Okay, in the editor, what we need to do now is pick the seat that we want to be the speaker seat. We click on the behavior. We go down here to seat access, and we click speaker. So the options are everyone, speaker, or just moderator. So we're going to put speakers in there. I am going to save that. Now, I'm going to click over here and I'm going to click speakers only. So now only moderators and speakers are able to be unmuted and talk. Now, anybody in the room, they can't see this seat, but what I can do is I can pull Merrick over here. Now he can unmute.
Hey, how is everyone?
Thanks for unmuting and showing us how that works. Now I want to show people another way that people can be in the speaker seat. So once I move Merrick out of there, he can't go back in. If I moved him to the speaker seat and he moved out, he cannot move himself back in. He cannot unmute himself. But what I can do is I can click on his avatar, right click, and click make speaker. Now that he's the speaker, he can actually see that seat and he can put himself in there without me doing anything. And he can unmute.
Back in action.
There you go. Thanks so much. And that is how easy it is to control your room when you have a big meeting or you're doing something and you want to make sure only some people can talk and you don't want any distractions. Okay, I'll see you next time.